Hi everyone, thank you for heading over and joining me here on my YouTube channel. I did a recent video of a really sweet project. It uses a 6x6 paper, and for those that had watched the video, it's this one here. It's a really adorable sweet little project. It's a front and side loaded pocket. Then I also put together a few kits and listed it in my Etsy shop for you if you wanted to make your own and to add your fun goodies. It was all sold out in the first 4 days, so I just wanted to thank all of you lovely ladies that had purchased the kit, and I do hope you enjoy it when you receive it. You will receive it probably in a few weeks time, so I do apologize for the slow shipping with the international shipping at the moment, but I know some of you had missed out on purchasing the kit and wanted to pick one up. So what I had done was I made some more kits similar to this one, slightly different, but this video is showing you the different ways that you could make this similar style project with that same style that I showed you. And I'm going to show you all the different ways that you can make this particular layout that I had done. But what it was a 6x6 paper like this that I showed you, and then you just scored the paper at 2.5 inches, and then you turn it around and you score it at 4 inches. And then there's a little piece here that you cut out and you remove that, which is this piece here that was sort of there, and then I made it into a tag, and then you're left with a piece that looks like this. And what I want to show you is there are so many different ways that you could make out of this layout other than just a front and a side pocket. And I'm going to show you in this one here what I've done, and then I'll show you the different ways that you could make with this shape. So this one here was another style that I made. It's different to this one, but the same. And it is such a sweet little booklet, and I'll put a kit together and I'll show you as well at the end of the video. But look how adorable and cute this little Happy Mail idea is. This is also a great project if you're into junk journaling. If you like to send Happy Mail, this is another great way to add your goodies in there. Again, it's nice and flat, but it still holds a few things in here. And then what I had done was, as a closure for the flip book or booklet, I used some vellum, and then I tied it with some organza ribbon, and I'll show you the inside. And the papers I use it's by Die Cuts with a View. It's the Fairy Tale Floral 12x12 paper collection, and that's the organza. Sorry, this is the vellum strip of paper that I used, and I just punched out 2 holes on the end and then added the string or the organza ribbon. And this is the front with the word hello using some gold glitter cardstock, and then opening it up. This is the pocket, and on this one I made the pocket on the front. In this case I placed it on the inside, and then I've got in here a little like a matchbook style pocket, and I've got in here a couple of little stamp shape embellishment that I've made, and then you can embellish that. And I've got them here, and I'll just show you one that I've embellished, which is this one. And I will be listing these in my store, and they're like this. And what you get is you get a random 6 of these stamp shape embellishments. You get 6 random words, and 6 of my little paper flowers that I've put together. And then you can make a little embellishment like this. So this will be listed in my shop as well for you if you wanted to make these. And then you can add these to your cards, add them to tags, or you can even punch a little hole up here and create a little tag of your own, and then you can use this to write a message. So it's really cute. But I just thought I'd place that inside there, and then that just closes up like that. And then on the inside here is the matching tag. So that goes on this side. And then on the next side, you flip that open, and this is the envelope, which is the same as in here. So that was like the same as this envelope. And what I've done was I placed the envelope on the side here, and then I made this a little tuck spot to add some more goodies. So I've got in here some stickers. And then over here, I made a pocket insert. And I've also got in here another packaged goodies. And then this is the tab shape. You've seen a few of my packaging that I use that for a bag topper. And this is a fringe heart embellishment. And then this is just another tag. And then I added a little vintage style butterfly charm to the top with some seam binding. And that's your pocket. So that just goes in there. And then I'll place that inside. And then you close that up, and then that's it. And this is the envelope flap. I've just stuck it on there, and it still looks nice and pretty onto the back. So that is one way of making the making this shape. You can make it into a little booklet like this. So I'm just going to show you what you could do. So with this one, with the first one, you can fold this little piece back and then fold it this way. And then you've got yourself your front pocket. And then you can glue the top here and here to create the side pocket. Like that. Or you can do it the way that I just showed you with this project. And it becomes a little booklet with a pocket insert on this side. And you can also add this into your traveler's notebook, and you can just slide that in and just slide it through the elastic. And then another way you can do it is you can have it this way, which was the same as the first project. And you can have it that way and have this as your side pocket this way. And then have a top loading pocket. Or you could also have it by going that way. Sorry, I'll turn this way now. And you can have it that way, and you can have it on the side and the top loading pocket that way. Or you can have it this way and have it with the pocket on this side, or the pocket that way. So it's the opposite to the other side. So that's what's great with double-sided paper. You can have it any which way you like. You could also go like that and have it, this way. And then you could embellish that and have it flipped open that way and have a pocket this way. And then that's another part where you can add your envelope, which I'll just show you. So you can have the envelope up here. So you've got another spot to add some goodies. And you can have that closed that way. Or you can have it the other way like I've shown you. There's just so many ways. You can just play around with this little flap bit, and you can just play around with it and decide where you'd like to place it. So you can have your envelope that way and your booklet becomes like that. Or how I had it here, or what I've done with the envelope, I placed some glue along here, and then I just glued it to the back of the little booklet, and just leaving the score line a little bit out, just enough so that your envelope can open and close. And that can become a little pocket flip page, and that closes up like that. So I just wanted to show you different ways on what you can do with this shape, and you've still got a little tag to add in there already as well. 6x6 paper, and you can utilize this shape in any way. You can also make it in any other sizes, 8x8, 12x12. It just means your pocket will be much larger and your project will be a lot bigger, and you can add more stuff to it. So that is just a video here to show you what you can do with this size. And I'm going to show you the kit that if you'd like to purchase it, especially for those that missed out, you can purchase this kit. It is similar. It's slightly different to the first kit. And I'm just going to bring it out and show you. I'm just going to close this up. So in the kit, this is another fun kit that I put together. So in the first kit, these are what you get. So in this kit, there is no vellum pocket, and you don't get the hidden paper clip. But these will be listed in my store separately if you like to purchase them. These will be a pack of 3, and then I'll have these as well in my store. But the kit for this one, what you get, you'll get the base book, and what I've done here, I've left it like this so you can decide how you'd like to place your pocket, that way, or if you want to have it this way, you can have it that way. So that is up to you. You can have a play around and decide what you like to do with that. Then you get the envelope and you assemble the envelope yourself. There's some score lines here for you to assemble. And also, what do we got? You have the coordinating tag that I've already corner rounded for you. There's another tag. You get a pocket insert. Again, I've scored the lines for you and cut it out. You just need to put it together. You get two self-seal bags for you to add your goodies. Also a vellum strip, and I've already punched the holes out on the side so you can use it as a closure if you decide to create the booklet. And then there is some organza ribbon as well I placed there for you so you can use that to tie it up. And there's a little card here that you could also then use to decorate and embellish. And the little pieces that come with it, you'll get 2 tabs, and that can be used for your packaging, or you can use this on other projects if you like. You get a little bow die, which is similar to what I've done here. A hello die cut in gold glitter cardstock. You get these 3 word sentiments. A gold heart, a love word sentiment, and also this little heart that was part of this card. So there's some few little pieces there for you to play around with. So it is similar to my first kit. It just doesn't come with the vellum pocket or the hidden paper clip, but that is the kit that I'll be listing in my store. Again, I only have 14 of these kits, so hopefully you will be able to get a chance to purchase this kit. And then I have also made one in this style, or in this pattern. This will be listed separately. The only difference is the reason why, because the script is only in one direction. So if you want to make just a booklet like this one and you want it in this pattern, you can purchase that in my other listing. That way you can just have it ready for you to make a booklet. Because if you want to make it, say, like this one, what'll happen is if you flip it that way, your word script will be upside down. But if you're happy with that, that's fine. You can always cover that up and embellish it. But just for those that want this particular pattern and you want to make it as a booklet, I'll put this separately, because I am going to send off your orders with random printed paper. So they're already packed up, and you'll get a random print. So I don't want to have to give you this one if you want to make something like this, and then you'll end up having your pocket upside down. But if you're happy with that, that's fine. You can still purchase this one anyway. But I just wanted to let you know this one will be on a separate listing, and then you'll get a random pack of these in my other listing. So a few fun stuff in this kit as well. So I will put that in my shop, as well as I'll put a listing for this cute little fun embellishment kit as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video and my kits, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.